Okay, first try at a how-to video. So marked out a box. This box is actually upside down, and it's upside down. Just take my word for it. So we have three sides and a bottom. Now it's inverted. So what I want to do to connect these two, because it's quick and it's very functional and it works very well in a situation like this, instead of loose tenons or whatever. We're just going to counter bore and glue and screw this together, since it's the bottom, and you'll never see it. So first thing we do is we square this up. So it's square in the back. We just use this square here, and it's already set up in the back, and the front's a little cockeyed, right? So we'll fix that later when we run our screws in. But what I did was I drew a line right down the, look at that dirt bag. It was the yellow jacket. Anyway, so I drew a line all the way down the left side and the same on the right. And you can see I took a pencil and I kind of just drew a little squiggly line through there so that I don't accidentally counter bore along that center line. And then, since my stock is 3/4 of an inch thick, and we obviously have some sanding to do here, but half of 3/4 is 3/8. So I adjusted my square and added 3/8 onto that outside dimension, and I drew a line there, and then that line right there should be centered along the walls of our case here. So that's kind of how that works. The same thing along the back side. So I just set my square to 3/8 of an inch, since that's going to be flush, and ran it right down. And similar here to the front, we should be good here. So this front will have a piece of glass in it, and actually I'm glad I did this. This is completely wrong. So what I should have done, because my front is going to be overlaid, where's my hand? It's going to overlay. So really what I want to do is I want to take this and I want to add 3/8 this way. So this actually just saved me some unfortunate screwing. We're gonna scratch that part out. Anyway, that's how that's done.